Here we have a 2024 RAV4 hybrid fitted in Black Suede two-tone in the rear only. So you've got 3 separate headrests across, armrests, with drink holder still accessible, access to the centre lap sash belt. As mentioned, it's a hybrid, so the seat cover has to be modified because of the hybrid RAV4, but that's fine with our seat cover fitted. All the vents for the batteries and everything underneath the back seat, because the seat cover is made to the shape of the hybrid seat, that's all accessible. And finally, top tether points are accessible on the back of the backrest, both 60 and 40. Plus you can still fold the seats 60-40 split. 60 side is down, but 40 side can also fold down independent of the other side.
Yeah, a lot of it